What's going on, guys? This is Jason and this is Lavish Car Reviews, back with another video for you. And if you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell also so you can stay up to date on future videos. All right, guys, so today is a special day. Like I said, I had some big things coming. We got the MBRP racing exhaust installed on the Black Widow over there. I'm going to show you that in a second here. But I am really excited about this. This car is so loud now, and I love it because it was so quiet before with the factory suitcases that came on the car from Ford. So I'm going to show you guys this. I'm going to give you a cold start. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is it too loud? Is it still too quiet? I don't know, but to me, that thing is loud. I love the way it sounds. It actually sounds like a Mustang now, and I'm very, very happy. Also going to show you the tires inside the garage. Yes. Yeah. So we're going to get right to it. We're going to go over here. We're going to get a cold start on the Black Widow. It hasn't been started all day today. It's been sitting outside. It is Sunday. And I usually like to post videos on Sunday or Monday. So as soon as I finish filming this, I'm going to go edit it and I'm going to get it to you guys right away. All right. All right, guys, here we go. Cold start on the Black Widow with the new exhaust by MBRP. It is the MBRP catback race exhaust. Reason I went with that was because I was looking for a particular sound, and a lot of the exhausts that I heard on different cars, I didn't really like them. So I wanted something with a little more throaty tone to it. So yes, we did go with the MBRP catback exhaust with the H-pipe. So here we go. Woo! Woke that puppy up. Guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about that cold start, what you think about the way it sounds. Yes, I'm very happy with the car, so let's go on the inside real quick and show you a couple of the things that I did to the car. We got the wheels coming. I'm waiting. The reason the tires aren't on is because I'm waiting for the 10-inch wheels. Right now my wheels are too small for the tires I have that I want to go on the back. The tires I have now that I want to put on the back are 305s. This rim is a 9-inch rim or 8.5-inch rim. I need a 10-inch rim for the 305s. So they are in the garage. We're going to go over there and check those out. Also, what I added, the red paddle shifters. So everybody can stop asking me, is it an automatic or is it a manual? So there's the red paddle shifters. And then we have the red accents for the knobs right there on the Sync 3 system. Here you go. Check this out. Sounds good. All right, guys, so yeah, this is what she's looking like inside. Very happy with the way that this car is coming along. I'm not doing this with any YouTube money. I'm not getting any money from YouTube. This is all done with my own money from my pocket that I work for every day. So yeah, there's the hizzy right there. That's my hizzy, you know. So that right there, that's where all the big money goes to, my hizzy. But money goes here, big money goes there. So we try to spread out both. But yeah, so I'm gonna shut this down and then I'm gonna go inside the garage and show you guys the tires. All right, stay tuned. All right, so here we go. I'll show you these tires. I can't wait to get these things on, man. They're just sitting in my garage getting ready. So there they are, ladies and gentlemen. Mickey Thompson Street Comp 305s. Look how big this tire is, man. I can't wait to get this. Can't wait to get this thing on the car. Look at that thing. Look, she's ready to roll already. Look. Yeah, man. Gorgeous tire, soft rubber. Can't wait to get these on the car and get that back end looking real wide, you know. So I'm really excited to get these on. They've been sitting in here for a little while. I'm just waiting on the wheels. Like I said, it will be going on the Black Widow. I do this with my own money. I don't do it with any YouTube money. I don't do it with anybody's money. It's all done with my own money from my pocket. As you can see right there, that's some of the stuff they had put on to try to mount them last time. And they didn't fit. Unfortunately, the rims, I thought they were bigger than what they were, but they're not. So no big deal. We just took our time and ordered the wheels. They should be here pretty soon. Yeah, that's my John Deere right there. I like riding that thing. But yeah, so that's what's going on with the Black Widow, guys. Right now, that's the latest update. Oh, almost forgot. Gotta pop the hood. Gotta show you what else we put on there. You guys gonna like this. I mean, everybody should have one of these if you got a Mustang. Hold on, let me get to the car. Open the hood real quick. Oh, pop that thing. My grass looks bad, man. It's been so hot here. Gotta get something done to that. Also, I got some damn bats up in that little thing up there, whatever you call it, Eve or whatever. So they can't remove them until after September. Well, beginning of September, because it's against the law or something like that. But yeah, you know, we already got the JLT cold air intake. Now we have the JLT catch can 3.0 installed. So everybody said that I should get this because of the blow by or whatever that goes into the manifold. So I picked it up. They said that it works and it picks up the oil that you don't want going in there. So we added it. They said that's one of the biggest upgrades you could do on the car. I need to get in here and clean up a little bit. This thing's dusty. But yeah, also received a update tune from Lund a few weeks back. I didn't let you know about that either because I was having some fueling issues. But they got that thing squared away, man. This thing is getting it. So I've just been running 93 right now. I'm probably gonna put some E85 back in here soon. I just kind of like to run the 93 through there sometimes, so that way it kind of just cleans the system, cleans the fuel lines out. I mean, I guess E85 is cleaner, but you know, I just run it through there sometimes just to lubricate everything down with the detergents and different things inside the gasoline that's supposed to be good for the engine. And I only put mobile or BP fuel in this car unless I'm doing E85. Then I'll go to Sheets down here in North Carolina, which is pretty much the only gas station that carries E85. But it always tests like E85, E87 when I test it, so I've been using it consistently. But I've been kind of liking the 93. I was also, with the new exhaust, I like the way that the exhaust crackles and pops and stuff with the 93. E85 does make the car a little bit quieter. I guess it's because the way it burns. But yeah, so that's where we're at right now, guys. We're coming along, chugging along. Let me let that thing down. All right. Yeah, I know I have to let it down like that because the JLT intake is so damn big. If I just let it down lightly, it will not close. We did wipe it down yesterday. It's already dirty. I mean, it's a black car. That's what happens when you own a black car. So there you have it. There's the MBRP tips and then the MBRP exhaust. I want to thank you guys for stopping by today. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, like, and share below. Check out my Instagram page at Lavish Car Reviews on Instagram. Make sure you go follow me on there. All social media will be posted in the description below. I'll also post a link down below to show you guys where you can get this exhaust system from. If you like it, comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it sounds. Let me know what you think about the tires. Like I said, you know, we're going to keep it moving. We're not going to stop, man. This is just the beginning of a beautiful thing. This car is for you guys. I'm building this car for you and me, of course, because obviously I'm doing it with my own money, but it's for you to enjoy with me together. We'll enjoy the journey together. So, like I said, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. Go to my Instagram page. Follow me. Lavish Car Reviews. Signing off. Peace.